Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progressions of Class 10. We were doing exercise 5.3 and we have completed first 3 questions. Now we will see question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? So here in this question, what we have to find, how many terms, that is the value of n we have to find, and the AP is given, and what is this 636? This is the sum of n terms. Sn is given as 636. So we will start with the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. So this is the AP. So from this we can write the first term. A value is 9 and D is equal to A2 minus A1. So the answer is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Now Sn is equal to 636. Sn value is given as 636. Now what is the formula for Sn? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula for Sn. So here in this formula, A and D place, we will substitute the values. So n by 2 into 2 into, here the value of A is 9 plus n minus 1 into value of D is equal to 8 is equal to 636. Now we will simplify this. So n by 2 into, here 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636. Now we will take this 2 to the right side. So n into, here inside the bracket we will simplify. 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10 plus 8, 10 is equal to 636 into 2. Now we will multiply with the n. So 10n plus 8n square is equal to 636 into 2. Now if you see here, all the terms are multiples of 2. So we will divide the equation throughout by 2. So we will get the quadratic equation in n. So the first we will write n square term. So when you divide 8n square by 2, you will get 4n square. And here 10n divided by 2 is 5n, and this term, constant term, we will bring to the right side. So here this 2 will get cancelled and you will have 636. So we got the quadratic equation in n. This we have to solve using quadratic formula so that we can find the value of n. So n is equal to minus b. Formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula, quadratic formula. So here we are going to substitute a, b and c value. So what is a? Coefficient of n square is a, coefficient of n is b, and the constant term is c. So here we are going to substitute. So minus 5 plus or minus root of 5 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is minus 636 divided by 2 into a value is 4. Now we will simplify this. So minus b plus minus 5 plus or minus root of, here when you multiply this number and when you add with 25, you will get 10201. So okay, so 10,201 divided by 8. So what is the square root of 10,201? That is 101. Square root of this number is 101. So minus 5 plus or minus 101 divided by 8. Now we will get two values by taking positive plus 101 divided by 8 and minus 101 divided by 8. Okay, so these are the two values of n. Now we will simplify this. So here you will have 96 by 8 or here minus 106 by 8. So here when you cancel, you will get 12 as answer. 12, or here you will have 53 by, we can divide this, we can simplify this. So we will get 50, we can divide by 2 tables. So 53 minus 53 by 4. So we got two values for n. One is positive plus 12 and another value is minus 53 by 4. This value we cannot take because n is the number of term. It cannot be negative and it cannot cannot be fraction also. So the value of n is equal to 12. So there are how many terms? There are 12 terms. So S12 value is given as 636. Now we will see the next question. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. So here in this question, first term and the last term is given, sum is also given 400. We have to find the number of terms n and common difference d. So first we will take sum. So Sn is equal to 400. Here since the first term and the last term is given, we will use the second formula. So what is the second formula for Sn? N by 2 into A plus L. So this is the another formula for finding sum. Here first term, what is the value of A? First term is 5 and L value is equal to 45. So here in this formula, we will substitute the value 5 plus 45 is equal to 400. Now we will take this n to right side. So n into 5 plus 45 is 50. So we will take this 2 to right side. So 400 into 2. Now n is equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50. So when you cancel, you will get 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So the value of n is equal to 16. Now we have to find the common difference that we will find out from last term. Last term is nothing but an and last term are same only. So here n is equal to 16, that is A16 value only 45. So what is the formula for A16? A plus 15D. A plus 15D is equal to 45. So the value of A is equal to 5. So 5 plus 15D is equal to 45. So 15D is equal to 45. This 5 we will take to the right side. So 45 minus 5, that is 40. Okay. So 15D is equal to 40. So D is equal to 40 by 15. So here we can divide by 5 tables. So 8 by 3. So the value of common difference D value is 8 by 3. Now we will see the next question. So question number 6, the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So in this question, first term and the last term are given, that is A and L value are given 17 and 350 and the common difference is given as 9. Then we have to find the value of N and Sn. So we will write what are the values given. A is equal to 17 and L is equal to 350 and the common difference is equal to 9. So this L is nothing but actually An only. So An, both An and L are same. So here An formula we will use. What is the formula for An? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 350. Here in the place of A and D we are going to substitute the value. So A is 17. 17 plus n minus 1 into D value is 9 equal to 350. Now we will take this 17 to the right side. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. When you subtract, you will get 333. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 333. So n minus 1 value, we will take this 9 to the right side. So 333 divided by 9. When you cancel, you will get 37. So this is the value of n minus 1. So the value of n is equal to 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38. So we got the value of n. Now we have to find Sn value. Sum also we have to find. So Sn is equal to, we will take the second formula because both the first term and last term is given in this question. Okay. So what is the value of n? 38. So 38 by 2 into, what is the value of A? 17, L is 350. So 17 plus 350. So here we can cancel. So you will get 19 into, when you add these two, you will get 367. So 19 into 367. When you multiply, you will get the answer as 609.73. So the value, sum is 609.73 and n value is equal to 38. Now we will see the next question. Question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So here in this question, D value is given and A22 is given as 149. So D is equal to 7. A22 is equal to 149. So from this first we will find out the value of A. So what is the formula? A22, A plus 21D. So this is the formula. A22 equal to A plus 21D is equal to 149. A plus 21 into, what is the value of D? 7. So is equal to 149. So A plus 147 equal to 149. Now we will take this 147 to the right side. So A is equal to 149 minus 147. So the value of A is equal to 2. So we got the value of A as 2. Now we will find out what we have to find out. Yes, sum of 22 terms, that is S22 we have to find. We will take the second formula, that is n by 2 into A plus L. So 22 by 2 into A plus L means the last term, that is A22 only. So here we will simplify, that is 11 into, what is the value of A? A is equal to 2 plus L is equal to, L is nothing but A22, that is 149. So here we will multiply 11 into, this is 151. So when you multiply these two, 1661 will be the answer. So the sum of first 22 terms will be 1661. Now we will see the next question. So question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So in this question we have to find S51. Okay, sum of first 51 terms, that is S51 value we have to find. So what is given? Second and the third term. So A2 is given as 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So these two values given, we have to find S51. So what we will do, from these two we will get to two equations in A and D. Those two equations we will solve and we will find out the values of A and D first. So what is the formula for A2? A plus D is equal to 14. So this is the first equation. Now what is A3 formula? A plus 2D is equal to 18. So this is the second formula. Okay, second equation. So from these two equation, if you see, coefficient of A is same. So we will subtract these two equation. So subtraction means change the sign of each term of the second equation and then we have to add. So A and minus A will get cancelled. D minus 2D, that is minus D is equal to 14 minus 18 is equal to minus 4. So the value of D is equal to 4. This value we will substitute in first equation and we can find out the value of A. So substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 1. So here A plus value of D is 4. So A plus 4 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So the value of A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 4. Now we will use the S and S51 we will find out using the first formula, that is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the value of n? 51. So 51 by 2 into 2A. So the value of A is 10. So 2A, that is 2 into 10 plus 51. N is 51. 51 minus 1 into, what is the value of D? 4. Now we will simplify this. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4, that is 200. Now we will add these two, that is 51 by 2 into 220. We can cancel here. So 51 into 110. When you multiply these two, we will get 5610. So the sum of first 51 terms of the given AP is 5610. Now we will see the next question. So question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, then find the sum of first n terms. So here in this question, what are all the conditions given? Sum of 7 terms, that is 8, 7 is equal to. Here in this question, S7 and S17 values are given. So S7 is equal to 49. So from this we will find out first equation. Okay, so what is the formula for S7? 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, 6d is equal to 49. From this 2a plus 6d is equal to this 7 by 2 we will bring to the right side. So 49 into 2 by 7. So we can cancel these two. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. This is the first equation. Now S17 is given as S17 is equal to 289. So here 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1, that is 16d is equal to 289. So this 17 by 2 we will bring to the right side. So 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 2 divided by 17. We can cancel this 17 and 289. So we will get the second equation as 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. So this is the second equation. Okay, so now we have to solve these two equations. We will subtract these two equations, equation 1 and 2, because the coefficient of a is same only. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 14 and 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. We are going to subtract equation 1 and 2. So we will change the sign of the terms, each term of the second equation, and then we will add. So 2a will get cancelled. Then 60 minus 16d, that is minus 10d is equal to minus 20. So d is equal to minus 20 by minus 10 is equal to 2. So value of d we got as 2. This value we will substitute in the first equation. So substituting d in equation 1. So here 2a plus 6 into value of d is 2 is equal to 14. So 2a plus 12 is equal to 14. So 2a is equal to 14 minus 12, which is equal to 2. So we got 2a equal to 2. So the value of a equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So we got a value is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. Now we will find out sum of n terms, that is Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus, that is a value 1, plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2. This we will simplify. So n by 2 into 2 plus, when you simplify this, 2 into n minus 1. From these two terms we can take 2 common. So n by 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. So this 2 will get cancelled, and here n and 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? N into n, which is equal to n square. So sum of first n terms of the given AP is n square. So we have completed today 9 questions of exercise 5.3. Remaining questions we will see in my next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.